Hello. Today I want to conclude my reflections on the mysteries of the Rosary by saying just a few words about the Luminous mysteries. The Luminous mysteries are very recent. They were just put into place by Pope John Paul II. The Luminous mysteries have to do with the ministry of Jesus, his baptism, the wedding feast of Cana, the proclamation of the reign of God, his transfiguration, and his institution of the Eucharist at the Last Supper. Two things struck me about these mysteries. First of all, that Jesus, through these different events, revealed himself, revealed who he was and his mission here on earth to the people of his own time. But at the same time, these mysteries reveal to us, reveal Jesus' mission to us as well. We are people who believe in Christ through our baptism. We are people who are here to proclaim the reign of God. We understand that Jesus is the Messiah, the transfigured one, and we partake of the Eucharist at Mass. And so Jesus' revelation of himself and his mission was not only to the people of his own time through these events in his life, but also his revelation of himself to us here and now. The second thing that strikes me as I reflect on the luminous mysteries is that Jesus' proclamation of the reign of God is our mission yet today. That the reign of God is not here yet in all its fullness. And so it's up to us to proclaim the reign of God in the same ways that Jesus did, by healing one another, by sharing with one another, and by sharing with those who are in need, by trusting God utterly and completely, and by looking at each and every person whom we encounter as a brother or a sister. Whenever we do these things, we are proclaiming the reign of God in our midst today, just as Jesus did in his own time. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.